Hello guys, welcome to the TenorShare channel. Forgetting passwords of your Google account is a common problem. Google takes its users' security very seriously and would always need you to complete the security check after you factory reset. Do you want to know a detailed guide on how to bypass Google account verification after reset? Well, then you're at the right place. Way 1. Easiest way to bypass Google account. The fast step is to recover your Google account and set a new password if you can't remember the previous one. If you remember your account information, everything becomes very simple. All you need to do is open Gmail in your browser and reset your account password. Clearly, it does not support a second-hand Android device, because you may not know whose Google account belongs to it. Don't worry, here's a good way to easily bypass it. Way 2. Using FRP key for Android. Here are the steps to bypassing Samsung FRP using FRP key for Android. Install FRP key for Android on the computer, then connect your Samsung device to it. Run the program and on the main window, choose Remove Google Lock. Here you need to select your Samsung system version. If you don't remember, you can determine the version through these prompts, which will help bypass FRP faster. After confirming the version, you just need to follow the prompts and operate on your phone. After all the steps done, depending on what your phone has guided you to do, restart your Samsung device. Now you can see we are back to the home page easily without any password and Google Lock. Hope you found today's tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if any of these methods work for you. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.